children? I'm teacher. How are you? I'm you. Okay, thank you. Sit down, please. So today's theme is our town. What date is it today? What date is it today? Kausa, please. December. Yes, right, you are. What month is it now? December, yes. What season is it now? It's winter. Yes, of course. So, today's theme, our town. So, today's new word. Let's introduce new words. The aim of lesson to develop learners' writing skills and listening skills and create friendly atmosphere. So, let's introduce new words. Butchers. Greengrocers. Post office. Hospital. Sweet shop. Компьютер бутена. Open your books at page 50 and 51. So here, biz қазір prepositions-ты өтеміз. Ол қазақ тілінде тікелей аудармасы жоқ. Қазақ тілінде ол көмекші сөздер болып аударылады. Opposite. Қарама-қарсы деген. Next to. Келесі, жанында деген. Between. Арасында. Behind. Арқасында. So, сабақ басталмас бұрын, we sing a song hello. Okay?
Okay.
Бес ба? Бәріміз бірге. Please. Together, sing a song hello. All of it together. Hello. photos and stick on the papers and write their names, okay?
Okay.
I will stand. So, thank you.
Bir daha çekiyor.
So, learners, what date is it today? Kausa, please. Yes, right. Well, what month is it now? What month is it now? Alright, please. December, right. Well, what season is it now? What season is it now?
Winter.
Yes, winter. It's winter. So, learners, open your books and books. Right? Today's day. So, then 6 of first sentence. You can get bread from where? From where? Please. From bakers. Yes, from bakers. Yes. Next, who wants to come? Next sentence. Kausa, please. Next sentence. You can get sweets from where? Sweets. You can get sweets. You can get sweets from where?
From sweet shop.
From sweet shop. Clever girl. Right here. From sweet shop. Yes? Sweet shop. Excellent. Good. Next, third sentence. Who wants to write? Please come to the middle line. Third sentence. You can get apples from where? From greengrocers, yes? From apples. From greengrocers. Can you read, please, Kausa?
You can get sweets from sweet shop.
Thank you. Good, clever girl. Next, who wants to write? Abla, please. Third sentence. You can get apples from where? From greengrocers. Yes. Can get apples. Apples from where? From where?
From green ground.
Yes. Good. From greengrocers. Yes. From greengrocers. Greengrocers. Thank you. Good. Good. The last one. Who wants to write? Who wants? Ағылшын, please come to the blackboard. The last one. The last sentence. Fourth. You can get. Get meat from where? Ағылшын. From where? You can get meat from where? From butchers. Yes. Clever girl. Get from butchers. Yeah. without S. Yeah. Not bad. So, at page 51. Can you read, please?
The supermarket is next to the baker's. The baker's is opposite the hospital.
Now, the supermarket is between, look at the pictures, look at it here, and next to the baker's, yes? Where is the supermarket? Where is the supermarket? Here, yes? And next to the baker's, yes? And here, next to the baker's. The next sentence.
The green roses is between the post.
Opposite the hospital.
The post office.
Office. Zeynep.
Yes.
Is opposite the hospital. So look at here, look at photos. Look, the batches. What is the batches here? Yes, the batches. The opposite the hospital. Yeah, isn't it? Yes, opposite the hospital. Here. So thank you. Next, third sentences, please.
The green grocer is
Between
the post
office
and the
hospital. So what is the green grocer? Pictures. Look at the pictures. What is the green grocer? Green grocer between the post office and the hospital. Yes. Green grocer between the hospital and the post office. Yeah. So fourth sentence. Who wants to read? Fourth sentence. Ablay, can you read, please? Fourth sentence.
the post office is opposite the baker's.
Yes, right, you are. So, look at the pictures. Yes, isn't it?
Yes.
Yes. Right, well, thank you. Good. So, learners, how many stickers do you have? How many? 5 stickers. Let's count. Oh, excellent. 4 stickers, yes, good. 4 stickers, Ағылшын. How many stickers do you have? 3, not bad. So, how many stickers do you have? 4 stickers, good. Good. Not bad. 1 stickers, not bad. So, learners, do you like today's lesson?
Yes.
So, thank you. Your home task, open your books at page 51, your home task, exercise 8. So, our lesson is over. Goodbye.
Goodbye.